Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best picks for you and your family. In today's video, we're talking about what we believe is the best baseball tee set for Toddlers Beginners, the Little Tikes T-Ball Set, red, with 5 balls. Whether you're shopping for your own little slugger or looking for the perfect gift, stick around. This one's a home run. Let's start with what makes this T-Ball set such a great choice for young kids. Designed specifically for toddlers aged 18 months and older, this set is a perfect blend of fun, safety, and skill building. It's part of the Little Tikes Sports line, which has been helping kids explore the world of sports through play for years. Right out of the box, the Little Tikes T-Ball set impresses with its bright red design, oversized bat, and 5 lightweight plastic balls. That's right, 5 balls included, so you won't have to worry if 1 or 2 roll under the couch or go missing in the yard. It's a thoughtful touch for parents who know how quickly things can disappear during playtime. Now let's talk about setup and use. This tee is designed to be easy to assemble and even easier to use. No complicated parts, no tools needed. The adjustable height tee grows with your child, helping them develop better hand-eye coordination and motor skills as they learn to swing. The oversized bat is designed for small hands, giving toddlers a better grip and more control with every hit. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for learning the basics of baseball, softball, or even wiffle ball. Another great thing? This set works both indoors and outdoors. Whether it's a sunny afternoon in the backyard or a rainy day in the living room, this T-ball set adapts to the environment. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and just as easy to store thanks to a clever hang-on-the-wall design. Space-saving and smart. Now let's get into why this matters. Physical activity is crucial for toddlers, and what better way to get them moving than with a game that builds confidence and coordination. Swinging, aiming, and connecting with the ball are all engaging ways for kids to learn patience, focus, and perseverance. And because it's so approachable, even shy or hesitant kids can feel the joy of knocking the ball off the tee and hearing the imaginary cheers from the crowd. This Little Tikes set doesn't just teach baseball, it encourages creativity and pretend play. Your child isn't just swinging a bat. They're standing at the plate in the bottom of the ninth. They're stepping into the shoes of their favorite athletes, playing with friends or siblings, and building memories that stick. One of the standout features is that it's built to last. The materials are sturdy plastic, safe for toddlers, and durable enough to handle countless hours of play. You'll notice how easily it stands up to rougher use and how little maintenance it actually needs. A quick rinse or wipe down and it's good as new. If you've got a toddler at home who's curious about sports, full of energy, or just ready to try something new, this T-ball set is a fantastic starting point. It's safe, fun, and gives them the feeling of achievement every time they take a swing. Whether they hit it or miss, they're learning, growing, and having a blast. To sum it all up, the Little Tikes T-ball set in red with 5 balls is a fantastic investment in your child's playtime and development. It's affordable, durable, adjustable, and perfectly suited for toddlers just starting out in the world of sports. And most importantly, it puts fun at the center of learning. That wraps it up for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in this set, check out the link in the description to grab one for yourself or as a gift. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. Until next time, keep playing and keep growing.